Welcome back to AfroMD. Today is the first day of my second year of medical school, so I will be showing you a day in the life of a medical student. So follow me around. Right now I'm wearing scrubs because we start with head and neck. So we're gonna go back into the lab. So today we're gonna be learning about like the shoulder and the arm. Yeah, to be honest, I'm kind of nervous being back because anatomy was really hard last year. So the fact that we're starting off with this is kind of like a lot, but we'll see. We will do like lecture, then we'll do half with the plastinated bodies, and then the other half with the like what you think of as anatomy bodies. Gotta try to make these scrubs look better somehow. Now for as what I'm putting in my backpack, I got my pencil case, I got my sketch pad that I can take notes in after class. I have my laptop. I made some rice, chicken and rice. For lunch, I have a granola bar. I have this smoothie I just made, and now I have to go. Unsurprisingly, I'm running late. New Year, same me. So I just got out of lecture, and this is about to be a rough year. I have to run to the admissions office real quick to drop stuff off, but I'm going to try to review some stuff for the lab before I go back in. Walking to the admissions office, which is down the street. Alright, so just came back from the admissions office, going to the student lounge to eat some food real quick and go over the lab videos. So I'm trying to watch these videos real quick, studying with my friend. Yeah, now headed to the anatomy lab. Alright, so just got out of anatomy lab. I have to run to a meeting for the Black and Latino Students Association, and then I'm gonna go back and try to study. So we're just meeting to try to get some events ready for this next year. This is our president, this is our vice president, this is Mussolini! Our Latinx, yes, you are Medical Student Association representative. So just got out of my meeting. I am now going back to the library to try to study some of the stuff we went over, both in lecture and in lab today. It's the library. All right, so this is our cafe, Tish Cafe. We'll walk in and get some food real quick. So here I am going over the lecture and trying to make sure that, as you can see on the right hand, the lecture is playing on that field. And then on the left hand side, I have OneNote open and I'm going over the parts of the lecture I didn't get the first time to make sure that I understand everything the second time. Okay, so I just left the library literally like 4 hours later, and I'm not really quite sure what I took away from studying that much, but I gotta go to Trader Joe's, get some groceries for the week. So now I'm at Trader Joe's. So finally home and putting my groceries away. I already did some meal prep earlier in the week, so I'm gonna meal prep some more later in the week. So now we are at the end of a very long day. So from here, I typically would like go work out or prepare for any meetings I have tomorrow. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.